Hey there, welcome to Browser Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download the Edge app on iPhone. Launch the App Store, and within the App Store, search for Edge, and when you search, it will display the results. So here you would be able to see the Microsoft Edge AI browser. So right now I can see the cloud icon because I already downloaded it once. If you haven't, then you will get a get command here. So you can tap on it and confirm with your Face ID or your passcode. Once it is confirmed, then you would be able to see the download starting. It will take a while based on your network speed. So let me just get this completed. So here you can see the download has been completed and I'm getting this open command or open button. So what I can do is I can tap on it and it will open the Edge browser directly. That's it. So this is the Edge browser, and if you want to add Edge to the home screen, so you can see in the library, you would be able to see the recently added. Just drag and drop onto the home screen. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.